Hey guys, welcome back to Renee GTV. Today we're going to make a hearty chicken noodle soup, and I really wouldn't even necessarily call it a soup, but we're going to start out with our chicken, and I've just sauteed two chicken breasts and a little bit of pepper, and now we're going to move on to our carrots. Okay, so I've just taken a couple tablespoons of butter and about 4 large carrots, and we have sauteed those. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of flour. I'm not going to add a whole lot because we're going to cook the noodles in the soup, and that will also thicken it. This is going to be a pretty hearty soup. Okay, so I'm just going to let that cook a bit as well, and then I'll bring it back. Okay guys, so I've added 12 cups of chicken broth. I have my carrots and I have my chicken in there. I'm going to go ahead and add some egg noodles at this point. I'm going to leave this on a low simmer until they're done, and we'll bring you back in just a few minutes. Okay guys, here's our finished chicken noodle. We let this simmer about 35 minutes or so. It thickened up beautifully, and it was a very quick dinner. It just consists of noodles, chicken, and carrots. So give it a try. Let me know down below what you think. As always guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, and we'll see you next time.